Hello. Today I'm burning a Sunday Roast Pumpkin Spice Latte candle from Kirklands. Just picked it up today and they're 40% off with their All Things Halloween sale. It does have a little bit of a peel of a protector that I want to peel off, especially since I tend to extinguish candles by using the lid. Anyhow, the purpose of today's video is to do an unboxing for my cloth and paper subscription box for my disc-bound planner from Cloth and Paper. So the size that I use is called the HP Mini, and it is roughly 5 inches wide. It looks like 5 1/8 inch wide by 7.5 tall, and I love this size. This is kind of my Scentsy home scent planner. So that's what we're working with. I've signed up for 3 months of the subscription box, and so far I'm super happy with the monthly subscriptions. I'll go ahead and take everything out. Comes with a little card on top that describes everything included, but I think we'll just rip right into the packet. Okay, so this looks like a packet of journaling cards. It's usually a good blend of functional and inspirational. First one, as you can see, is a November calendar card made out of a crystal clear plastic. Now it looks like it's slightly frosted, but that's just a plastic protector. And when I peel that off, as you can see, it is crystal clear. So just a pretty little journal card that you can tuck into the front pocket of your journal in order to sort of keep your dates straight. So very pretty. You can also use this to tear washi tape or as a straight edge. So I do find the plastic calendar cards are pretty useful. Alright, this one is more motivational. Take a break, you deserve it. And then this one is a kind of a cardstock vellum, maybe perhaps a little heavier than cardstock. And this is more along the lines of motivational. I can be strong, independent, grieving, direct, a leader, understanding, creative, and a listener, and still be everything in the right-hand column. So the way you read this, I can be strong and still be soft. I can be independent and still need support. I can be grieving and still find joy, etc., etc. So wonderful messaging on their inspirational journal cards. There are a few more. This is just a cardstock calendar card, journal card. And then a Leonardo da Vinci design for another journal card. Super nice. This seems to have almost a rubberized coating. So this feels like it will be more durable than just straight up cardstock. Okay, so that is the envelope of journaling cards. Next up, oh, I love their sticky notes. This is a collection of half sticky notes. These are both mood trackers. I'm going to take them out of the envelope just so you can read them. I feel like the glare makes it too difficult to read. And again, let's go close enough for you to focus, camera. Super cute. Today's mood with a section for notes and then a mood tracker on the second sticky note packet, and these both include 25 sheets. Loving that. I will certainly use that. Here we have a monthly half dashboard bookmark. And I do like these. The last one I had is right here in the front of my planner. It's just a morning mindset printed on vellum. This time around they sent, it looks like a pack of 3 daily, weekly, and monthly reflection journaling prompts. So let's see if we can just get a quick view of those. Super cute. I will use those. I really do use everything, perhaps not all of the journaling cards, but I find like they're nice little messages to pass around to my students. So I enjoy them, and I kind of use them to spread joy in the classroom. Okay, dashboard, believe in yourself, and a beautiful design on the back. This is heavy cardstock. So lovely. We have another cardstock dashboard with a quote on the back and a beautiful design on the front with a quote, purpose. We won't be distracted by comparison if we are captivated with purpose. That's the little text at the bottom. Gorgeous. And again, super motivational, positive messaging on these products. Cloth and Paper, I think, does a wonderful job of modern minimal design and kind of clarity of purpose. So, yes. Just 3 more elements to this subscription box. We have planner inserts, for the mini HP, that's my size. Mental wellness, and there's the SKU number if you ever decide that you love something from the subscription box. Super easy to find it on the website with that SKU. And these look like they are places for free thoughts, positive affirmations, mindful intentions, and it is duplicated on the back side. So these, I feel that you could, with your disc-bound system, you could insert this in your weekly pages or your daily pages. These would tuck right behind those pages. So, love them. I will plop those into my binder here in a moment. Here we have a November insert. Let's see what's included in the November. These are weeklies, which is my preferred format, with a section for priorities, memo, next week, and a running calendar on the bottom right. These are dated weeklies, so it's November 1st through 7th, etc. for the entire month. And the last page is a section for notes. I probably will keep that in the bag so they're protected. And something like that in the disc planner, generally I swap it out as it gets too thick. It really just depends. If you prefer to keep your notes quarterly for reference, of course you can do that as well. Alright, and the last item is a mindful journal. This is a standalone notebook, stapled notebook. Here we go. It has a hard cardstock cover, and it is basically a mindful journal that runs for 30 days. Gives you some suggestions on the front cover, and starts with expectations, followed by morning, evening reflection sections on the pages themselves. So I like this. I think I'll use this. Okay, let's see how the journal is set up currently and how I might incorporate some of these supplies. Alright, so right inside my crystal clear cover I have a morning mindset journaling card, and I do really enjoy this. Let me get some white paper underneath so you can read that. Basically has 6 prompts to help you focus your day. Then I have a grit dashboard, which I enjoy. That's a real something we really focus on in the classroom. I'm a high school English teacher, and grit is sort of something that we're always trying to help students embrace kind of embrace their grit instead of having fixed mindsets so much. All right, year goals, I think I'll keep that there. I'm not going to show any of my current writing because I feel like I'm sort of experimenting with something and I'm just not ready to share that with anyone yet. Then I have a meal planner, which I do use. I do have a detox coming up in October, so I'll be using this to track my detox. That's with Abby Bliss White. She's a kind of a luxury beauty YouTuber. I'll flash her information on the screen if you're interested, and I'll link her YouTube channel in the description box. But it's basically an anti-inflammation diet where you delete 5 things from your diet for a full week and then slowly reintroduce items the second week as a way to kind of detox your system and take care of your inner glow and your health. I will be using that meal planner. Then I have another little crystal clear dashboard. I have another one and I'm not currently using it. Let's see if I want to use anything there. Maybe I will have a mental wellness section. So let's do that. And for my dashboard, I'm going to use my Believe in Yourself. Now you could laminate these if you were interested in making them even more durable, but I'm not currently that concerned with it. And I think I'll put in about half of the sheets. My planner is getting a little chunky, so I'm not going to put everything in from this subscription box. I'd rather keep it lean and functional. Okay, then we have our October spreads. I will be using those this month. They are dated. Super cool. Then we have kind of the grind section. These are undated sheets. I will use these probably to expand if I need daily pages interspersed within my October spreads. But that's not necessarily how I'm using this planner. I've got other planner systems. So honestly, the undated dailies, I should probably pull out at least 2/3 of these. I just don't see using them religiously in this. And I have enough plastic sleeves to keep these protected while I'm storing them in a drawer. Alright, so just de-chunkifying my system here a little bit, making it more streamlined for how I use my various planners. And just a little bit of force with the thumb helps that pop out cleanly without bending or destroying the little mushroom tabs. Okay, so these go in storage. Then we have a socialite section. Don't think I'm going to, currently don't really have anything in that section. Inspo AF, I do have some stuff in here. It's basically a 1-minute habit section. Don't have any inserts yet. Again, this is sort of a work in progress. Girl Gang, don't have anything in there yet. Money, I don't think I'll be using this to track. Actually, if I end up joining Scentsy as a seller, I will be tracking sales in this. Let's see, whatevs is kind of random. I currently have a section for mental downloads, and I will be leaving that as it is. Let's put purpose here as a dashboard. Again, because I want to sort of experiment with this new business idea and see if that will work for me. Okay, I currently do not have any place to put my little dashboards or sticky notes within my system but I think I will do this. I have several of these little ollie clips, and I feel like I can clip some of those journal pages right to the front. Again, I may change my mind on some of this, but, oh, actually I need my October cards from last month. I'll just tip that in right there with a magnet. Just to keep me on track. And then the other thing I'd like to tip in are these little monthly, daily, and weekly reflection logs. And I'm going to put those back with my kind of, actually let's put those with my self-care section. Here we go. Right here. I don't want to put them in front of that because that would interrupt the dashboard. All right. So there are some gaps in this planner. I would like some just plain inserts for mind mapping and brainstorming, and perhaps some blank journal pages. We shall see if those things happen in next month's subscription box. Okay, so that just about wraps it up. I hope you enjoyed this quick flip through the October subscription box for cloth and paper. If you're new to this channel and you enjoyed the content, please consider hitting subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Ciao.